To change screen refresh rate on the Realme C71, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to go for the settings, and from here, go into the display and brightness. Now you have to scroll all the way down, and you will be able to find screen refresh rate options. So let's go in there, and here you can see the examples. You have the example of the high refresh rate and standard refresh rate. The standard is the 60 Hz refresh rate, and this will help to save your battery life. And the high one, as you can see, it's like smoother. You can use it for a better experience while using your phone, and there's basically the description that it will like give you an visual effect of smooth experience, but might increase the battery usage and cause the device to heat up. So yeah, and to change the screen refresh rate, if you want to set it to 60 Hz to save your battery, simply press this standard, select this standard option, and now the screen refresh rate is standard. But if you'd like to use this high refresh rate, simply go for the high one. And the auto select is basically, as you can see here is the description, that it will automatically use the optimal refresh rate for your device to bring you a continuous smooth experience and conserve battery power. So yeah, that's basically all that you have to know about the screen refresh rate.